Okay. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? Yes, children. Is there anyone who is still writing? Yes, Veda. Still writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Please write it down fast, Veda. Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Just one more minute, children, and then we'll start. Yes, now. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Fine. Nobody raised hand. So we'll start now. See here, children. Yes, Ansil.
Ma'am, I write.
Huh?
I wrote.
I asked if you have not written, then you can use raise hand option. If you have completed, that's fine. If you are still writing, then you can use. Okay, so fine, children, we'll start now. Listen, we have done this earlier also, so this is just a revision. We do it quickly. So this is that whenever you have to write the place value of any underlined digit, right? Place value means first you have to look at the place or position of that number, of that underlined digit, sorry. You have to first look at the position, or you can say the place of that underlined digit in that number. Right, so if you'll see here in your first bit, or you can see your first number is 3535. Your first number is 3535, children. So in this 3535, they have underlined the digit 5. They have underlined the digit 5 here, right? And here in number 3535, 5 is in which place? 5 is in ones place. 5 is in ones place. So what we will do, we will write this 5 as it is. We will write this 5 as it is. We will not put any 0 after this 5, because in ones place there is no 0. Because in ones there is no 0. So place value of underlined digit is 5 here. In number 35, place value of number 5 will be 5. Okay. Now if we'll come to next question, that is next, your next number is 7474. Excuse me. Your next number is 7474, children. Now here underlined digit is 7. Here underlined digit is 7. Now you have to look at the place of 7 in number 74. Now if you will look at it, its position carefully, children, you can see here 7 is in which place? 7 is in tens place. Here 7 is in tens place. And in tens, how many zeros are there? In tens, there is only 1 0. In tens, there is only 1 0. So what we will do, we will write this underlined number. We will write this underlined number. Here underlined number is 7. And after this 7, how many zeros we will put? We will put only 1 0. Why we are putting here only 1 0? Because here 7 is in tens place, and in tens there is only 1 0. So that's why we are putting here only 1 0. So place value of 7 in number 74 is 70. Okay, fine. Now Ashrita, you tell me what is the place value of 1 in 51?
5.
Ashrita, what is the underlying number here in third question? In 51,
Ma'am,
which number is underlined? Which digit is underlined?
1.
Yeah.
1.
Yeah, 1 is underlined here. So now tell me what is the place value of 1 here?
10.
10. 1 is in tens position here.
No.
Then yeah, 1 is in which place?
Once.
Then is there any 0 in ones?
No.
So what we will do?
We will do.
We will write this one as it is. Okay? Yeah. Children, see here, there is no 0. There is no 0 in 1. So what we will do? We will write this one as it is. We will write this one as it is because the underlined digit here is 1 and 1 is in ones place. So we will write this one as it is. Okay? Rohit Chaudhary, you tell me answer for next. What is the underlined number? In number 50. Huh?
5.
Underlined number is 5. And what is the place value of this 5 here?
Tens.
Place is tens. Fine. What is the place value of this number 5 here?
50.
Yeah, it's correct. Answer is 50. Okay. Tanvi Sri, you tell me answer for next number. What is the answer? Next number.
3939.
Okay, which digit is underlined here?
3.
Yeah, so now tell me what will be the place value of 3 here?
3. Tens.
Okay, so 3 is in tens place here. Tell me what is the place value of 3 here? Place value.
30.
Yeah, that's correct. So answer is 30. 30. Answer is 30. Next. Veda, tell me answer for next. Veda, what is the place value of 4 here? What is the answer?
1.
Answer.
Answer is 4.
Answer is 4. Very good, Veda. Very good. Good girl. Veda, that's the wrong answer. Until you tell me what is the answer?
5.
5. Until what is the next number? Will you please tell me what is the question actually? Ansel, I'm talking to you. Tell me what is the question? We are talking about which number? Not at all paying attention. Janvi, you tell me. Janvi, what is the question?
40.
4040. Very good, Janvi. Now tell me what is the answer?
40.
Very good. Here underlying number is 4. So we will write that 4 as it is, and this 4 is in tens place. So after this 4, we will put 10. So answer is 40. 40. Very good, Janvi. Arohi, you tell me next. Arohi.
Arohi is in washroom, ma'am.
Okay. That's fine. Advait. Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tell me what is the next question?
8.
8. 8 is next question. Advait, number is 8989. So now tell me what is the place value of 8 number 89?
80.
Very good. Answer is 80. See here, children, in number 89, 8 is underlined digit here. So we will write that 8, and 8 is in tens place. So after this 8, we will put 10 because in tens there is 10. Okay. Ananya, unmute yourself and you tell me answer for next one.
Next number enter. What is the number?
2, 5, 25.
Okay, so which digit is underlined here?
Which number underlined? She is asking.
2.
2. Okay, fine. So 2 is underlined. So we will write 2 here. And now tell me what is the place value of this 2 here in
20.
20. Very good. Very good, Ananya. See here, children, this 2 is underlined here. So we will write that 2. And since this 2 is in tens place, so after this 2, we will put 1, 0. So place value of 2 in number 25 is 20. Very good. Arhan Mohammed, you tell me next. Number is 3737. Arhan, you tell me which number is underlined here. Yes?
इधर पलटो. Put your legs down. Your legs are wet now. Put it down, beta. Put it down.
Arhan,
Yes.
Arhan, will you tell me the answer?
Screen 37.
30.
Yeah, that's correct. Answer is 30. Here underlying number is 3. And 3 is in tens place. So we will write this 3 and after this 3 we will put 1 0 here. So place value of 3 in number 37 is 30. Yes, Ayan Puluru.
Ma'am, I will say one more question, ma'am.
Ayan, see one by one I'll give chance to everyone, okay? You will also get a chance.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Next. Suryansh, you tell me next one. 42. Which number is underlined? Sorry.
2.
Digit is underlined here. 2. Okay, fine. Now tell me what is the place of this 2 in 42?
1.
1. This 2 is in 1's place. So what is the place value of 2 in number 42?
2.
Yeah. Very good. See here children, this 2 is in 1's place in number 42. So we will write that 2 as it is because there is no 0 in 1's. Okay. Dhruti, you tell me the next. Dhruti. 16. In 16, which number is underlined?
6.
6. So now tell me what is the place value of 6 here?
6.
Yeah, very good. Place value of 6. 6. Okay, Siddharth, you tell me next. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, number is 89. Tell me which number is underlined here?
9.
9. So what is the place value of
Answer
9
is
here?
9.
Answer is 9. Okay, so we will write 9 here. Very good. Mana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now listen here. See here, children. You have to look at the underlying number. You have to look at the underlying number and then you have to see its place. According to that place, you have to put zeros. So, Mana, in number 189, which number is underlined?
9.
Yeah, 9. And what is the place value of 9 in number 189?
90.
Not 90, Mana. 9 is in which place? Ones, tens, or hundreds?
100.
No, that's wrong. We always start from left to right. We always start from left to right. So 9 is in which place, Mana? 9 is in one's place. Which place, Mana?
One's place.
Yeah. So what we will do, we will write this 9 as it is. We will write the underlined digit, that is 9 as it is. We will not put any zero because there is no zero in ones. Okay. Ketan, you tell me next. In number 121, which number is underlined?
100.
What is the answer?
100.
Very good. See here, children, in number 121, 1 is underlined and this 1 is in hundreds place. This 1 is in hundreds place. So we will write this 1 and after this 1, we will put 2 zeros. We will put 2 zeros because in hundreds there are 2 zeros. So answer is 100. Very good, Ketan. Sai Joshit, you tell me next one.
Ma'am.
Sai Joshit, tell me answer for next. Your underlined number is 9 in number 197. So tell me what is the place value of 9?
9.
Only 9. We will not put any zero.
0.
How many?
1.
Yeah, we will put only 1 0. So answer is 90. 90. Answer is 90. 90. Because this 9 is in tens place. So after this 9, we will put 1 0. We will put 1 0. Okay. Arohi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now tell me in number 168, which number is underlined?
1.
1. And tell me what is the place of this 1 in 168? This
0.
one.
0.
Okay, that is the answer. But will you tell me 1 is in which place? Ones, tens, or hundreds?
100.
Very good. And now what is the answer? Arohi, will you repeat the answer? Answer is?
100.
Very good. Answer is 100. See, children, this 1 is in hundreds place. So we will write this 1 and after this 1, we will put 2 zeros. So answer is 100. Answer is 100. So place value of 1. Place value of 1 in 168 is 100. Okay, fine. Next. Sai Ritvik, you tell me which number is underlined in number 102.
0.
And what is the place value of 0?
0.
Yes, very good. Children, this 0 is in tens place. But we will not put 2 zeros. We will write only 1 0. Always remember that place value of 0 is always 0. Whether you will write 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 5 zeros, 7 zeros. 0 will be 0 here. So place value of 0. Sorry, place value of 0 in number 102 is 0 only. Fine. So this is how you will write the place value of a 3-digit number. Fine. So now I'll clear all this. I hope nobody is writing. I'm clearing all this. Yes, Rohit.
Ma'am, I didn't write, ma'am.
It's not I didn't wrote. It's I didn't write. And you can do it yourself.
I didn't write.
Yeah, but now you can do it yourself, Rohit. I have already cleared that. This is just a revision. Yes, children. So now note down next. In new page, right? Okay. So now write the question. Write the face value of the underlined digit. Children, start writing this question in your notebook. Until start writing. And after every question, you have to leave one line. Start writing, children. Then we will write the face value quickly. 6 questions are there. Note down these 6 questions. I will give you 1 minute, and I am underlining the numbers now. And you have to underline the number also. Yes, children, start writing quickly. Your first number is 45, then 67, then 19, 27, 82, and then 10. Come on, children, just 1 more minute and write down these questions. Write the face value of the underlined digit. I have underlined the number with red color. Yes, children. So now we have to write the face value. Children, 30 more seconds and then we'll start. I have underlined the digit with red color. Okay. Is there anyone who is still writing? Is there anyone who is still writing? Okay. So now listen, children. Face value of any number is the number itself. Face value of any number is the number itself. Suppose the underlying digit is 4, so then face value of 4 will be 4. Face value of 5 will be 5. Face value of 0 will be 0. Face value of 1 will be 1. Face value of 7 will be 7. Face value of 8 will be 8. Whatever is the position of underlying digit, face value of any number is the number itself. Now if you will see here in number 45, 5 is the underlying digit, so face value of 5 will be 5. Face value of 5 will be 5. Fine. So face value of any number is the number itself. Swarnika, you tell me what is the face value of number 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, face value of 6 is
5.
no, face value of any number is the number itself. So face value of 6 is 6. Yeah. And with face value of 9, and with face value of number 9,
9.
very good. Face value of 9 will be 9. Ayansh, you unmute yourself, Ayansh Gupta, and tell me face value of number 7.
Ma'am, number 7 face value is 7.
Very good. Face value of 7 will be 7. Sudhansh, you tell me face